Stars, I'm Mattie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. Alright Glam fam, so today I'm here to share with you all how to get a flat tummy at home without exercise. My waist is typically something that is highly speculated about here on my channel. How do you keep your stomach so flat? Which really my stomach is not flat, but there are tips and tricks that I use to keep my waist on fleek. So in today's video I'm here to share that with you all. Straighten up. Perfect posture is definitely a must. And if you straighten up your posture, your figure will look better. When your posture is good, you are automatically engaging and toning your stomach muscles. If you need to remind yourself to stand tall, a few strategically placed post-it notes should do the trick. If you're a person that does a lot of work sitting down like myself, I definitely recommend putting up some sticky notes and reminding yourself to sit up straight, to stand straight, and not to slouch over, because when you slouch over, that causes you to have a fupa. Now here's another tip for keeping that waistline on fleek. Staying hydrated is a must. Keep those fluids coming. Being dehydrated causes the body to hoard water, which can lead you to carry up to 4 excess pounds around your midsection. Try for at least 6 200 milliliter glasses of water or other fluids daily. Now most women don't want to talk about it, but you really have to set aside a specific time each day to use the bathroom. If you don't, it's too easy to give in to feeling rushed and ignore the urge to go. Once you've trained your brain to dismiss your body's signals, you set the stage for bloat-inducing constipation. Make sure that you are going, ladies, okay? I just can't stop thinking about you. Now here's something else, ladies. Eat mindfully. Rather than scarfing down meals, make a point of chewing each bite at least 10 times before swallowing. The body has to work overtime to break down food in the stomach and intestines, which can lead to major gas and indigestion. Plus, when you eat fast, you are more prone to swallowing air, which can ratchet up your risk of developing a potbelly. Turn to the pros. What do I mean by that? Probiotics are good bacteria that help your digestive system break down food, preventing the gastrointestinal issues that can keep you from having a flat stomach. To ensure your plumbing is working at optimum capacity, I suggest eating a daily serving of probiotic-rich food like yogurt, or drinking a glass of buttermilk, or taking a supplement containing at least 50 milligrams of probiotics. Number 6. Walk it off. Try to squeeze in a 30-minute walk daily. The simple boost in metabolism will help you burn waistline fat more efficiently. And if you want to work out, go ahead and work out as well. I myself have been using this gadget that I purchased from Amazon and testing it out so that I can come out with a video on it soon for you guys. And it is designed to give you abs at home without working out. Now y'all know that I'm going to come back with the review for this product sooner or later, so definitely stay tuned for that. But if you are looking to get some abs or to just work off some of that extra belly fat, definitely get you a 30-minute walk in daily. Now you might be going, did I read what I just read? Yes, you did. Give up gum. because chewing forces you to swallow more puff-producing air. It can also keep you from squeezing into your skinny jeans. You are better off sucking on a mint if you need to freshen up your breath. And last but not least, supplements. Consider adding calcium D and B complex supplements to your regular vitamin regimen. Excess estrogen causes the body to retain fat around the waist, but both supplements have been shown to help you excrete the hormone, which can lead to a smaller midsection. Now I'm going to unbox a device that I'm currently using to keep off extra belly fat. If you are interested in purchasing it, definitely check out the links down below. Let's get started. So here's what I'm unboxing on today, and this is the DANYILI 3-in-1 high frequency facial machine skin tightening device. It also works for your body, face, arm, legs, and back. And you can also use it on your calf as well. So really quickly, I'm going to unbox this. Now, as mentioned, I'm going to be coming out with a separate video regarding this device and sharing with you all how it works. But if you're looking to go on this journey with me on testing out this device, it will definitely be listed down below just for you.
Stop running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way.
And before I leave this video, I'm not gonna leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my glam star of the day. I want to thank you so much for the love and support that you've shown to me. And if you are looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.